Now question number 6 of exercise 10.2 maths class 10. The length of the tangent from the point A at the distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4. So we are given with circle with center O. The length of tangent from point A. Let us take one point A outside the circle. From point A, tangent is drawn. So let us suppose that this is my tangent. Let us mark point of contact T. The length of tangent from point A is 4 centimeter. Length of tangent is given 4 centimeter at the distance 5 centimeter from the center, and this point is at the 5 centimeter from the center. Center point is O. From O to A, the distance is given 5 centimeter. Find the radius. So what is radius here? OT. This is radius. So we have to find the value of R. So let's begin. So we have the property theorem that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So what is radius here? Radius is OT and it is always perpendicular to its tangent, and tangent is what? Tangent is TA. So we know that perpendicular means at point T we are having the angle of 90 degree. Okay, if this angle is of 90 degree, it means that this triangle OTA, this is a right angle triangle. Always when we are having the right angle triangle and its two sides are given, third side we can find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So you will write here in right angle triangle OTA, we will apply Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, it is known as the hypotenuse. So this is angle of 90 degree, and opposite to this we are having the side OT. Okay, so here OA. So my hypotenuse is OA and rest two sides are base and perpendicular. Let us take OT as a base and TA as a perpendicular. You can interchange it also. Okay, OA is given to us 5 centimeter. OT is the radius which we have to find. So we will write here R square plus TA, and TA is given to us 4 centimeter. So 5 square means 25. This is R square. 4 square is 16. So 16 will come on left hand side. So it will become minus 16 is equals to R square. So on subtracting, what we will get here? 9 is equals to R square. So it can be written as 3 square is equals to R square, and we will get radius is equals to 3 centimeter. So hence the radius of circle is 3 centimeter. Okay. Next question number 7th statement is two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Concentric circle means those circles whose center is same. Let us suppose this is my circle with center O. We are having one another circle and its center will be same, that is center will be O. So let us draw the another circle. Okay, with same center. We are having the statement two concentric circle of radius 5 centimeter and 3. So this smaller circle is having the radius of 3 centimeter, and suppose this is a larger circle and larger circle is having the radius 5 centimeter. Find the length of chord of the larger circle. Larger circle chord we have to find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle, and this is my smaller circle. We have to draw the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So this is my chord now. Okay, now let us mark it as P and Q. Let this be point L. So now this is my figure. We have to find the length of PQ. Okay, this length. So how we will find it? First of all, PQ is the chord of the larger circle, and you can see that if PQ is the chord of the larger circle and it is touching the smaller circle at point L, it means that it will become the tangent of the smaller circle. Okay, so since PQ is tangent to smaller circle, and we know that tangent is always perpendicular to radius, and it means that PQ is perpendicular to radius and his radius is OL. It means again at point L we are having the angle of 90 degree, and it means angle triangle PLO is right angle triangle. So if it's a right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem also. Okay, so you will see in right angle triangle PLO we will have hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, which is OP, and let us take base PL and radius OL. Okay, what is OP? OP is given to us 5 square. PL, we don't know its value, so we'll write here PL. And what is OL? OL is given to us 3 square. So let's simplify it. 5 square means 25 is equals to PL square plus 3 square, which is 9. So 9 will come on left hand side, and we will change its sign from positive to negative. Now 25 minus 9 will be 16 is equals to PL square. So 16 is the square of 4. 4 square is equals to PL square, and we will get PL is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the value of PQ. So we know PL and LQ are of same length. PQ is the chord and L is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, how? If we will draw the radius here, again this is 5 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. If we will apply Pythagoras theorem again, we will get this value same, which is of PL. You can also say that these two triangles are congruent. If those two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT PL and QL are of same measure. If we have find PL is equals to 4 centimeter, then it means that QL is also 4, and its full length will become 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So you will write PQ is equals to PL plus LQ, and PQ is equals to 4 plus 4, and PQ is equals to 8 centimeter. So this is my answer. Okay.